Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you 5 easy products to make your daily driver shine again. This is your typical dirt that you get on your daily driver, dirt up all the sides, the wheels are black even though they're supposed to be white, there's bugs all over the front for the mileage and obviously the weather we've got now. So, as I said, I'm going to show you 5 products to transform this car easily. First up, we start with the wheels, and I'm going to be using our Beast wheel cleaner, which we know is super safe for all types of wheels. It's not going to damage the finish on these, but also it's going to eat through this brake dust and get them white again. Take the bottle, give it a shake, and just apply to all of the wheels, trying to get into the barrels as well as the spokes. It's quite a thick wheel cleaner. It's more like a gel, so it sits on for a long time, gives you a longer dwelling time, which gives it its powerful effect. We can leave that for say 5 to 10 minutes, and even if it dries on, it's not a major problem. It will come off easily and it won't mark the finish. So the wheels are white again. Now we're going to go to the next step. We're going to be snow foaming it, and we're going to be using our Extreme Rich Foam shampoo. This is actually a 2-in-1 product, so I'm going to dilute 100 ml into the snow foam lance for lovely thick suds. I'm going to jet wash that off, and then it'll be ready for shampooing. And then I'm going to put 2 capfuls into my bucket and use that as a shampoo to get rid of all the dirt off of this car. Okay, so we've washed the car, now it's all wet, we're going to dry it, and I'm going to show you the next product, which is our Extreme Brilliant Shine Detailer. This product is absolutely magical, and the best way and fastest way to apply this is just spray it directly while you're drying. So you take a Sonax drying towel, spray on, and then you can use the drying towel to dry the car whilst applying the detailing spray. This will actually apply an amazing water beading effect, also adding gloss and protection. As you can see, it's absolutely ridiculous how easy it works. So, car's washed, car's dry, it's got a lovely gloss on it now from the detailing spray. Last step is our Beast tire gloss. You can apply this with an applicator, but I'm simply just going to spray it directly onto the tire. There we go, job done. Lovely glossy tires, the car looks amazing now, and it was so simple. 5 products, not very much time, easy results. That's it.